Imagine an AI so revolutionary that it shook Silicon Valley to its core. Meet DeepSeek R1, an open source AI model developed by Chinese company DeepSeek, which was founded in Hangzhou in 2023. It is smarter, faster, and significantly cheaper than its rivals like OpenAI's GPT-4. And in just weeks after its chatbot app launched, it dethroned ChatGPT as the most downloaded app on the US App Store. Nvidia's stock plummeted, the global AI race intensified, and tech giants started to worry.
This AI breakthrough has leapfrogged the world.
I think we should take the development out of China very, very seriously.
Welcome back. Nvidia is once again the talk of the day. It's the stock of the day. It's now down more than 6%.
Chinese AI says they were able to create things dirt cheap. How? By leveraging what they've taken from us, stolen from us, or leveraged from us.
President Trump declared a crackdown on Chinese AI DeepSeek. Italy has followed suit, removing the Chinese app from stores and demanding answers on data privacy.
But here's the twist. DeepSeek isn't just revolutionary, it's controversial. Its unprecedented efficiency and open source nature raise serious security concerns. Stick around because by the end of this video, you'll understand how DeepSeek is not just transforming AI, but potentially reshaping cybersecurity, geopolitics, and global innovation. DeepSeek is the brainchild of Liang Wenfeng, who's the co-founder of Chinese hedge fund Highflyer, who established the company in 2023. Based in Hangzhou, Zhejiang, DeepSeek focused on developing open-source large language models. As per the reports, the company's debut model DeepSeek R1 was trained for just $6 million, compared to that of OpenAI's GPT-4, which required $100 million in training cost. What's more impressive is DeepSeek R1 achieves similar performance with only a tenth of the computing power. The timing of its development is equally intriguing because US imposed sanctions on Nvidia chip exports to India and China so as to restrict their access to advanced GPUs. But DeepSeek adapted by using H800 chips, innovating its training process with techniques like mixture of experts to overcome these limitations. And the results are absolutely stunning. By January 2025, DeepSeek's free chatbot app for iOS and Android skyrocketed to the top of the App Store in US, surpassing ChatGPT within days. Its rapid success even caused Nvidia's share price to drop by 18%. I think this is more than just an AI breakthrough, and it's the opening shot in a global AI space race. But what's the catch? One of the DeepSeek's most defining features is its open source philosophy. Unlike rivals like OpenAI, which keep their training methods and algorithms locked down, DeepSeek makes everything public: its code, training details, and generative algorithms. This approach has earned praise for transparency and innovation. Developers worldwide can use, modify, and improve their models. But here's the double-edged sword. This openness also makes it easier for bad actors to exploit the technology. With such low cost and accessible models, even small, unregulated groups can adapt DeepSeek for harmful purposes. Think about it. A model this powerful could automate cyber attacks, create sophisticated phishing schemes, or even bypass multi-factor authentication systems. But you know what? DeepSeek's implications go beyond cybersecurity. It represents a shift in global AI dynamics. By recruiting top researchers from Chinese universities and even hiring outside the computer science field to diversify their models, DeepSeek is pushing boundaries. Its innovation have put China on the map as a serious AI contender. However, its heavily controlled responses raise ethical concerns as well. For instance, geopolitical biases and censorship embedded in the AI could make it a tool for controlling information. DeepSeek R1's efficiency and performance are unmatched. For startups and researchers, its low-cost approach is a game changer. But the same trait that make it revolutionary also make it risky. The low barrier for entry means its technology could be weaponized, leading to a surge in automated attacks, ransomware, and other cyber threats. In fact, even Nvidia's share price drop is a hint of how disruptive DeepSeek's rise has been. It's clear that this is no ordinary innovation, it's a wake-up call for the entire tech industry. DeepSeek R1 is undeniably impressive. It's not just a disruptor, it's a warning. While it pushes AI innovation to new heights, it also exposes vulnerabilities in how we regulate and secure technology. The question isn't just about how powerful AI can become, but how responsibly we can wield it. What do you think? Is DeepSeek R1 is the future of AI, or are we just opening doors we can't close? Let me know in the comments, and if you are fascinated by AI and cybersecurity as I am, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell icon for more insights into the intersection of technology and ethics. See you in the next video. Until then, stay safe, stay secure and take care.